Hello friends! In this tutorial, I will show you how to make garters on a bobo balloon and how to make an original round garland. I pre-inflate and align the balloon. After the balloon is aligned, I inflate it again, twist it several times so that the air does not escape, and I mark with a marker the part where the garter should be. To work with bobo balloon, I use a permanent water-based marker. I blow off the balloon and make a knot out of a balloon for modeling. On a piece of a modeling balloon, make two knots, one above the other. Cut off the excess part. Put the bundle inside the bobo balloon. Grab it with your fingers at the point you marked with a marker. Pull it up and tie it tightly around with a modeling balloon. Tie the balloon tightly twice for modeling and the garter is ready. I always cut off the blind tip of the bobo balloon because air accumulates in it and it is inconvenient to work with such a balloon. Next, I will make a beautiful composition that will serve as an example of the purpose for which garters on a balloon can be used. I cut off bobo balloon's tail by about 3 fingers. I stretch the neck and put the balloon on the equipment. When you stretch the neck of the bobo balloon, note that the seams of the air balloon should be between the fingers of each hand. In this case, the balloon will not break. Next, I fill bobo balloon with small balloons. Then I remove the bobo balloon from the equipment, twist it several times, pull out the tail well and make a knot. In this case, the balloon will definitely not deflate for a very long time. Now I take the 2 ends of the balloon for modeling and tie them in turn to the tail of the bobo balloon. I tied the modeling balls very tightly. I got to gorgeous retainers. Now I'm inflating 12 12-inch pink balloons. I calibrate each balloon by 16 centimeters. Then I twist the balloon in half and fix each twisted balloon with its own tail. Now I punch each pair of balloons under balloons for modeling. Now I'm inflating 12 blue balloons, measuring 12 inches. I calibrate each balloon by 20 centimeters and tie it in pairs. I put each pair under pink balloons. I'm threading a blue pair through one pink balloon. The garland is ready, lightweight, durable, stable, and original. Thank you for watching us.